Hi everyone, welcome you all. This is Pawan. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about more on GUI testing, graphical user interface testing. So as part of this, I'm going to cover these are the topics. What is GUI testing, and what is the need of performing GUI testing, and then what do you check in GUI testing and GUI testing test cases, and also we'll see small demo on GUI test case, and then we see different challenges we face in during GUI testing. Now let us start with what is GUI testing. So normally GUI testing is a process of testing the system's graphical user interface of the application under test. So normally the user will always interact with the application UI. So there are two layers we have in application. Let's say this is your front end. We can call it as a front end. The user is always interact with the front end, and the data and operations, everything will happen in the backend side. So there are two layers, front end and the back end. So user is always interact with the front end application. So GUI testing means we need to verify each and everything, look and feel of application, like colors, alignments, arrangement. Okay, so all these things are comes under the GUI testing. Okay, so GUI testing involves checking the screens with the controls like menus, buttons, icons, and all types of toolbars, menu bars, dialog boxes, windows, and etc. and etc. So these are all the first elements which can attract the user. So until unless your application is very attractive, the user will not wish to work on your application, right? So the first main focus of the user is your application look and feel. So we need to also also focus main on UI part. Okay, so UI testing means the testing the GUI means a graphical user interface with respect to elements, colors, alignment, spelling mistake, font, and so on. So let us discuss a few more test cases which are comes under GUI testing. Now, what is GUI testing? We have understood what is GUI. GUI means it's a collection of all kinds of elements, colors, alignment, and everything. Whatever the user can see, that comes under the GUI. And what is GUI testing? Means why do we need to do a GUI testing? Why it is really needed? Because the UI is will play very important role, right? So when the customer will attract application, sometimes we browse so many websites, and sometimes when I open my browser or website, will keep on looking at that because some website will be very attractive, colorful, and all elements will be aligned properly and very systematically. Everything is managed in the UI, so that will attract the customer or user. So he will pay a certain kind of attention on, he will interest to work on that particular application. So that will be main reason is the GUI should be properly there, so then only the user can work on that particular application. So GUI testing, that's the reason we need to perform a GUI testing, because this is the first attractive item by which the customer will try to work on this application. He will just interested to work on this application. So we need to design our application such like our application should attract our users and customers. They should like to work on our applications. So that's why we need to do GUI testing also. Now let's see what do you check as part of GUI testing. So what are the different things we need to verify as part of GUI testing? So normally we check all the GUI elements like size, position of the element, width, length, and acceptance of characters or numbers. We need to verify, and also we need to check error messages are displayed correctly or not. Sometimes when I provide some invalid input, that will give you some error messages, but those error messages are not meaningful, so non-technical people cannot understand those messages. So we need to also verify when I provide some invalid inputs, it is giving proper messages or not, those messages are readable or not, we need to verify. And check font size, font used in application is readable. Sometimes application we have n number of fonts, so every application will follow their certain standard, but whatever font they can use, that is up to them, but as a user point of view, I should able to read that font, right? So I should able to read and understand that font. So that also we need to check. And then check the alignment of the text is proper or not. So suppose when I write some label or something text in a UI, if the it is not properly aligned or it is not properly placed in some exact place, whatever place to as per the requirement, and whichever place they have informed to place that particular text, it is not placed at that place. So these are all conflicts, we need to verify them. So check font used in application is readable, and check the alignment of text is proper. So this is also very important, alignment. Sometimes when you zoom up the page or zoom in, alignment will be gone, so we need to verify that. And check the color of the font and warning messages. So whenever we have a font application, a font, the color also very important. And warning messages will be readable or not, we need to verify. And check that images have good clarity or not. Sometimes images are blur, we cannot see anything, even logos and or company related images and all should be good clarity. And then check the images are properly aligned or not. Suppose there are few images, some of them are big or some of them are small, and that will not give you good appearance of the page. So we need to also verify them. And check the positioning of GUI elements for the different screen resolution. So this is more important. Sometimes if I change the screen resolution 100 to 200, 200 to 75 or 50, obviously the GUI elements will not be properly aligned. It will be like scrapped into one or overlapped sometimes. So that should not be happen. So in all kinds of resolutions, our elements should properly compress and move properly. Okay, so these are all different areas where we need to do GUI testing. Okay, and then we will see uh, few of our test cases for GUI testing, how we can do the GUI testing. So these are the like we can also call this as a checklist. When you perform a GUI testing, you can follow all these guidelines, like testing the size, position, width, the height of elements, and testing the error messages that are getting displayed, and testing different sections of the screen, and testing of the font whether it is readable or not, testing of the screen in different resolution with the help of zooming in and zooming out, and then testing the alignment of text and other elements like icon, buttons, etc. are proper placed or not, and then testing the colors of the fonts, and then testing the colors of the error messages and warning messages. Sometimes error messages will come as a red, warning will come as a orange color, something like that, so we can verify them. And testing whether the image has good clarity or not, testing the alignment of images, so all the logos and everything placed correctly or not, and testing of spelling mistakes. The application text should not have any spelling mistakes, and the user must not get frustrated while using the system interface. That's a more important, because if you have a dark colors, ugly colors, the customer cannot attract with that, so he will not attract the application. He sometimes he will frustrated using that, right? So the user must not get frustrated. So the main intention. So testing whether the interface is attractive or not. Interface in the sense here UI. Okay, attractive or not we need to verify. And testing of the scroll bars according to the size of the page, if any. Suppose sometimes if there is any scroll bars and the vertical and horizontal scroll bars, and those scroll bars are properly moving or not, according to the movement the data is properly displayed or not, we need to verify. And then testing of the disabled fields, if any. Sometimes some fields will be disabled. Until unless we do certain operation, the fields will not be enabled state. Okay, so those elements also we need to verify. And then testing of size of the images. Sometimes we need to also verify size of images, x and y coordinates and everything. And testing of the headings, whether it is properly aligned or not. Headings will be in different size and the body will be in different size. And testing of the color of the hyperlinks, especially for web applications, hyperlink should be comes under either blue color, right? So these are all things we need to verify as part of user interface testing. Okay, so very important. So thanks for watching this video. So please subscribe my channel to get more updates.